Surah Al Buruj, the constellations. This surah is Meccan, containing 1 section and 22 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والسماء ذات البروج.
By the sky possessing constellations.
واليوم الموعود.
And the promised day.
وشاهد ومشهود.
And by the witness day, and by the day people attend.
قتل أصحاب الأخدود.
Woe to the people of the ditch.
النار ذات الوقود.
Of the blazing fire.
إذ هم عليها قعود.
When they were sitting around it.
وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود.
And they themselves are witnesses to what they were doing to the believers.
وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد.
And they were only averse to this, that they, Muslims, embraced faith in Allah, the most exalted, the most praiseworthy.
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد.
To whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is a witness over everything.
إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Surely those who persecuted the believing men and believing women, then they did not repent, there is the punishment of hell for them, and there is the punishment of fire for them.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير.
Those who believed and performed righteous deeds, there are gardens for them beneath which rivers flow. This is the great success.
إن بطش ربك لشديد.
The seizing of your Lord is most severe.
إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد.
Indeed, it is He who originates, and He creates again.
وهو الغفور الودود.
And He is the most forgiving, most affectionate.
ذو العرش المجيد.
The Master of the throne, the preeminent.
فعال لما يريد.
One who does whatever He wills.
هل أتاك حديث الجنود.
Did the news of the armies come to you?
فرعون وثمود.
Pharaoh and Thamud?
بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب.
But the disbelievers are in denial.
والله من ورائهم محيط.
And Allah encompasses them from all directions.
بل هو قرآن مجيد.
Rather, it is a glorious Quran.
في لوح محفوظ.
In the preserved tablet.